Ruian Tiancheng Packing Machinery Co. Limited was established in 2000. It is one of the professional manufacturers of intelligent paper plastic cup lid container packing machines, roll rewinding and shrink wrapping machines, and shrink sleeve label making machines in China, integrating development, design, production, sales, and service. About 600 machines are sold all over the world every year. Since its establishment, with the purpose of gain the customer's confidence based on good quality and improve continuously, meet customers' needs. We have won the support and trust of most national and international customers from Southeast Asia, the Middle East, Russia, America, Europe, and Africa. Our team provides customers with reliable quality and fast pre-sales and after-sales services on time. The manufacturing technology of intelligent packing machinery by Tiancheng actively absorbs the essence of international similar products, and at the same time tries hard to give play to its own innovation ability, and obtains a number of national technology patents. In order to strive for product quality, we have established our own quality control system. Also, a lot of our product models have obtained CE certification. Over the past 20 years, people toiled and endured hardships from a little-known township enterprise's transmutations to the beginning of the scale of modern packaging machinery manufacturing companies. With an international vision, people are determined to create a brand, striving to become the enterprise trusted by global customers and the packaging machinery equipment supplier.